Paisley, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, hummus. This is a great way to eat your vegetables. And guess what? We're gonna learn a new and fun word today, and it's called aquafaba. It's really fun to say. Now let's get started. First, you'll need 1 can of chickpeas. That's about 2 cups. Whee! Now, we'll need 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Okay, let's put it in. That was awesome. It's really fun to blend stuff too. Now, we'll need 1.5 teaspoons of salt. If you have a spatula, that's great, because it'll come in handy. Okay, now we'll need 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Don't worry, it's not going to be tart. It's just for flavor. That sounded funny. And here comes aquafaba. And you'll need a 1/4 cup. You can also use water. And aquafaba is also called chickpea juice, but that's a silly word. Now we need a 1/3 cup of tahini. This is sesame seed butter, and it's just like peanut butter. So you'll think it's pretty good, but you won't taste it. And it's also part of what gives hummus its color. Now we'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Speaking of olives, I had an olive tree at my house when I lived in Spain. Cool, right? Okay, now let's blend this. Whoa. Okay, now that all 7 ingredients are in the blender, we are going to blend it. Now we're going to just check it. Ooh, it's done. This looks so cool. Okay, you guys may think that I'm crazy because I'm trying this with carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers. It's going to be awesome. And look at this hummus. It's awesome. Now it's time for the taste test. Really good. If you try this at home, you'll probably like it. It looks like peanut butter, but it doesn't have peanuts in it. See you next time.